Hey all, this is Anupama and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, let's see how to make this beautiful wall decor. It's very easy to do and it's very quick. So for this, I have taken this MDF board of size 15 by 17 centimeters. So instead of MDF, you can even also use cardboard. And now take some clay. Here I'm using Fevicryl mold it. Just roll it to form a thin line and then apply some glue. And then stick the clay over it. So after my Jeroka project, everyone is asking how you are working with moulded clay. It really gets harder if you are not quick. Make small amounts of clay so that your clay doesn't get wasted. Again apply some more glue and then stick the clay over it. You just need to mix enough amounts of clay so that it will be easy for you to do the clay work and also your clay doesn't get wasted. And give impressions using a scale or tool like this and let it dry. And as a base coat I am applying this white acrylic paint. Then let it dry. On top of it I am applying this steel blue color. So you can choose any colors of your choice. And on top of it I am using this dabber to give that shading. Just I had applied a little bit of white and blue to make it lighter. And then as a border I am applying this burnt sienna color. Apply for the edges as well. And let it dry. This is how it looks. And now I had taken these wooden parrot beads. You can get these beads easily in any local shops. Just apply a little bit of glue and then stick it over. And for the other one I am using these small beads. You can even get these easily in any local shops or even you can get in Amazon. I will try to share the link. And now I am drawing this stem using green acrylic paint and then leaves. So guys, if you are new to my channel and if you are not yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing if you really like my videos. And please do follow me on my Instagram as well, that is saiscraftstudio. Draw some flowers. So guys, if you don't have MDF, you can even try it on cardboard, but I suggest you to use MDF and it costed me like 15 rupees for one piece. And for this type of projects, I suggest you to use MDF. And now I am using these mirror mosaic stickers. So these are glass mirror guys. You just need to cut it according to the length. You can easily cut them using scissors. Just you need to take off the paper which is on the back. And then you need to stick it over. You don't need to apply any glue and this is very easy to use. I'll try to share all the links in the description box, so do check it out. And if you don't find this kind of mirrors, even you can use normal craft mirrors. So this is how it looks and this is the other one. So I had made total 5 of these and you need to stick the parrots according to the pattern how you are sticking on the wall. So as these are very light in weight, I'll be using 3M tape to stick them on the wall and this is how it looks. So they are looking very cute and beautiful, right? So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys also enjoyed it and please give it a try. This is very easy to do and do share your pictures on my Instagram ID. And if at all you find this video is helpful to you, please give it a like and do consider subscribing. See you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.